Hi everyone and welcome to my latest video. I'm really excited to bring to you an update from Facebook. So Facebook have developed a new app called the Creator Studio. So we've all been pushed by Facebook to use the desktop version of the Creator Studio to schedule and to amend any drafts in our Facebook business pages. But Facebook have actually now developed a mobile app called the Creator app. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you an overview of what the Creator app can do at this point in time, and also what I would hope to see it be able to do in the future as they develop it. My name is Anita Wong and I'm a digital strategist and tech queen, and I'm here to help you become more confident and empowered and have the how-to toolkit to make your online visibility so much easier. Okay, so you should be able to see the Creator Studio right over there on my screen. Now I'm going to hold my phone up here so that you can see it. So it looks like this on your phone and you can see the Creator Studio here. So the Creator Studio from Facebook, it says manage your content online. Creator Studio from Facebook is the mobile app of the Creator Studio on your desktop, but it hasn't got all of the amazing features that the desktop app has. And I'm going to go through exactly what you get for this app. So it's obviously free of charge. It's saying that you can access your Creator Studio from anywhere. Manage your posts. It doesn't actually say at the moment that you'll be able to publish a post from the Creator Studio. Now, seeing that the word creator makes you think that you'll be able to create posts within the app, hopefully Facebook will amend that in no time. It says that you can edit your posts, which I have been able to do so far. It has a real influence on checking your insights, and that is amazing, especially as it's really honing in on your video content. So we'll have a quick look at that as well. It enables you to communicate with your fans on the go, and you also get notified as well. So let's dive in and have a little look. So let's open it up. And when you open it up, you'll be presented with the pages that you are admin of. So you want to click the one that you're an admin of. Then it's going to give you this overview. So at the very top, you've got home and the page performance for the last 28 days. Now, what Facebook has done is it's given you some nifty exclamation marks, which enable you to actually see what the insights are all about. So if you're new to looking at your page's insights, then these little exclamation marks are going to help you. So I click one now. As you can see, it's basically saying understanding the metrics. So 1 minute views, the number of times that your videos were played for at least 1 minute during a single instance of a video playing. We'll count video views separately and exclude any time spent replaying the video. So these are unique views that you're going to get insights for. The second one that is going to give you the insights for is your 3-second views. The number of times your videos were played for at least 3 seconds, or for nearly their total length if they are shorter than 3 seconds within the selected time range. During the single instance, again, it's going to exclude replays. It's also going to show you the net followers, and it's also going to show you if you have any earnings from midstream videos. So that's generally the basic insights. Then underneath that, it gives you your recent posts. Now, these are the things I want to just highlight to you, because as you can see, I have these videos, and then 2 posts down, it has a update. So the publish update is actually a photograph. The other 3 posts are videos. And as you can see, on the video post, so this one, and this one, it's giving me a insight into how my video is performing. So the one, day 2, I literally have just been live on my page. It's saying that it's performing 5.2 times higher than previous. The one below it is 6.2 times higher. And then if I scroll down, the one down here is 3.8 times higher. So the more I'm going live and putting video on my page, the higher the reactions are happening. So when you actually click on one of those particular ones, so if I choose this one, which is the day 2, if I click where the actual writing is, I can actually get some more detailed insights into my video. So when you click on the actual times 5.2 metric, it opens up the post detail in more depth. So at the top, you can see the name of the video. Then it tells me that I've had 10 3-second views. Now, I only popped this up at 2 o'clock and it's 2:25 now. So just to give you the idea of the different, the time zone. Then underneath that, it's basically saying distribution summary. This is 5.2 times higher than the other posts within 30 minutes of publishing. It's got 32.6 times more comments, 3.1 times more 1-minute views, and 5.4 times more reactions. It's down on the average view time. And then underneath, it's giving me my 1-minute views, my 3-second views, how many comments I've got, how many shares I have. If I click the more metrics, it's also going to tell me the average minutes viewed, total engagement, which is really important, and how many reactions. When you see it says audience retention, if I give the exclamation mark, it says the retention of your audience over the length of the video. This only includes views over 15 seconds. So once my audience has seen this video for a little bit longer, I will get more input. So let's close that down for a second and let's go to yesterday's one, which has got a slightly higher, and it's going to show you some different details. So I've had 65 3-second views. Underneath here, it's telling me that I've had 17.9 times more comments, 3.7 times more 1-minute views, and so on. It also shows you the audience retention. So the audience retention is how long you're keeping your fans watching your video. So this is really important for you to really look at how engaging your videos are to your ideal audience. So how long are people watching for? 3-second views at the moment, 65. 15-second views, 24. 1-minute views, 10. What does that mean? Let's click this little exclamation mark. How long are people watching for? So during a single instance of a video playing, we'll count video views separately and exclude any time. So a 3-second video view means that the number of times that your video played for at least 3 seconds. 15 seconds, again, the number of times that your video played for 15 seconds, or up to 97% of the time. Going back to the Creator Studio app itself, what else does it do? So as you can see, we've got this home page summary. If we move down to the bottom, we have this area here. If we click on that, it's going to show you your published posts, your scheduled posts, and your draft posts. So if you have any posts in draft, they will be here. If I have a post in draft and I press on it, it's going to allow me to edit the post and also publish the draft. So although you can't create a new post from this app at the moment, it will allow you to publish a draft post. So for instance, you might have started a post at home and then you got distracted and you were out and about and you've got time to actually edit it again on the go, you can go in. So when I edit the post, it's going to allow me to edit it and then save. And then if I want to publish the post, I click publish, and it's going to allow me to publish my draft post to my fans. So let's go back out of this one and go to the little clock at the bottom. The little clock at the bottom, again, is another area of your insights. This gives you a global look at what's happening with your account. At the top, it says past 28 days. If you click that, you can look at what's happening today on your account. You can look at what's happening yesterday on your account, the past 7 days on your account, the past 14, 28 and 90. So you can have a look at how your account and your insights of your Facebook business page are changing depending on what you are doing inside your business page itself. Moving on to the Messenger pot, this is where all your messages are, and this is where you can carry on communicating with your fans, and also you've got your comments. So it will actually pull your comments up from any of your posts. When you click on that comment, it will open up the comments and you'll be able to interact with your fans through the Creator Studio. So that's quite good. If you're on the go and you've missed a comment and you want to reply, you'll be able to do that from your page whilst inside the Creator app. Going back to the bottom, we've got our bell, And that's the final area inside of your Creator app, and that's the notifications. So if you've got any notifications that come in, then they'll be in here. So just bear in mind that the new Creator app for Facebook is still in its infancy. You are not able to connect your Instagram account at the moment. Your Creator Studio app for your Facebook business page is only for your Facebook business page. So that's the big difference between the desktop app and the mobile app. On the desktop app, you can access your Facebook business page and your Instagram account, create and upload posts to both your Facebook business page and your Instagram newsfeed and your Instagram TV feed. So there are some big differences between the desktop Creator Studio and the Creator Studio on the mobile app. But I'm sure that Facebook will improve these facilities as time goes on. You can do quite a lot on it at the moment, and if you haven't got the Facebook Business Managers app on your phone, why not try the Creator app and give it a go? My name's Anita Wong. If you have any questions about how the Creator app might help you and your business page, then please pop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell if you want notification of a new video, and I will see you soon. Take care for now. Bye.